arrived at Kifune Castle on top of the mountain. The owner of the ryokan was so kind to take me here.
She lived for 17 years and died 45 years ago.
So she's dead.
Please go far.
Wow, it's a dead snake. Wow, this dead snake was living here and is now, wow, it's like god of the temple. Oh, see the snake, the snake, amazing, the white snake god. And you have here to take off your shoes.
Heian 末期の武将で
And the guide of here, he can speak in perfect English and he will explain you everything about the castle.
Thank you.
Very cool guide. So nice.
Please come here. Uncle, that crane is a life size of travel eyes.
Wow, this here.
あのくらいが標準。だからこのタイガーとドラゴンでかいでしょ。Where I'll conduct traditional ceremonies to expel evil spirits.
Evil spirits.
Purify. ね、こっちどうぞ。外人の人にいろいろ聞いた方がようわかるもんな。ここはこっち。素面でもすげないるわけいいなと思うけ。
6 years old snake. Is the 5th generation.
Yeah.
And so he lives here. He has a very cool room with a view all over BEPPU. Not that he cares about the view, but he has it because he's like a god. And then the gentleman is going to, prepare for him hot spring water.
Yeah.
And he's going to take a bath. And he spends a lot of his time in that bath. So actually he's not wrapped here all the time. This is just in the morning right now before he's going to go to have a bath. And look at his skin, so beautiful with yellow and white. What type of snake is this? Python?
Yeah. じゃあ最小福を祈ります。かけまくむかしこき金箔竜を三上の色前に清き心の誠また三上の三かご神宝志願文を賢者立て滅る南大権現金箔竜を高校熱烈皆無き理法無縁皆無き天福傀来地福円満神道神力一切道かはいクラップトゥアイスでどうぞ。
And now we are allowed to touch the snake with both hands, and we have to pray. Like this.
そうそうそうあれでプレイングねおんぶらさかにミュートジャガジャナダでカーで take the good spirit in your body こう入れるんや中に気をね肩こり腰痛足が痛いとか注射針とか入れたら軽くなります。
わー Amazing。
団体さんが来ましたよ。
これ。これ。
あ、snake skin。わー、yes。
これを本殿で祈願してこの中入っちゃう。こういう後ろ。それでないずーっとこう映像と。
Wow, so now we are going upstairs. It's really... Who would have thought that we get to touch a snake here? And, oh my goodness. Look at all this construction with wood. I think some of you will really enjoy this. And wow, the view of BEPPU City through these old windows with this dragon. No, it's a fish. Highest room, and oh my god, this is so pretty. This is another place where you're supposed to put the coin and then pray. And you see again these dragons here with this like snake skin. So this is the prayer room at the top. Oh, with a 360 degrees view all over BEPPU. And look at this huge plate and the wood that they are using in the construction. これ踏んじゃうけ？ダメ？ Yay! On the tip of the castle! How amazing! Like, I can't believe this. Wow. Even, you know, just watching these roofs is like so moving. And then the sky changing colors. And here you can see the ocean. Oh, it's amazing. How beautiful. So this is a dragon, a huge dragon, and his head here. So stunning with this pine tree. And so this is where we were walking. Unbelievable.